Hey, what is happening, everybody? Luke Darling here. All right, so I'm not going to beat around the bush. We're going to get into how to dominate your marketing with AI. If you guys have not checked out OpenAI GPT 3, it's an absolute game changer. I'm going to jump in. I'm going to show you exactly how we can crank out local SEO optimized content, write blog posts, and how we no longer have the excuse of we don't have the time, so on and so forth. I'm going to jump right in. If you don't have an account, you can go over completely free openai.com. I'm going to open up something that I already did. You just click on here to try it out. It'll set you up an account, and again, completely free. And I'm going to jump over exactly, show you what we did, and then I'm going to walk you through how to make posts, how to make blog posts, and we can do this. And I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to knock this out in just a few minutes here to show you exactly how dead simple this can be. Over here, this is, let me move my mug out of the way. I typed in, it's a natural language AI. So I typed in, the very first thing that I typed in was write 10 SEO optimized Google My Business posts for loan officers. And then it just pumped this out right here. Then I wrote expand on number 6. And this is what it wrote. There are many different types of mortgage loans available, fixed rate, adjustable rate, FHA. So you can see this is really quality information and very, very accurate. Expand on number 8. So I'm going back. So this continues on. You can see here, it's this ongoing progression that you can say, hey, take this one idea, this central main idea from the beginning, and then expanding on it more and more. So how do we go about, what would we do, how would we use this, and the possibilities for this are endless. I'll show you actually, we'll do another one, and this is expand on key one and add the keywords for Austin. We're looking to buy your dream home in Austin, Texas, so it's not perfect, but you get the idea. It's like it's taken away like 98% of any heavy lifting that we really actually have to think about in this regard. And I'll show you one example. I'll do expand on number 2 right here. I'll actually just copy this, make it super duper simple, come back down to the very bottom, paste, and expand on number 2. Hit go. Let's see if we can do it in real time here while we're doing it. Boom. Okay. So this is real time, guys. I'm not speeding anything up. It's just how fast it goes, right? So this is how easy it can be to crank out content, and you can type anything into this, right? From the very beginning. A social media post about a story of a homeowner that had a hard time qualifying for a loan. And it will literally pump it out for you. You can say, hey, name that person Susan and tell a story about it. So anyway, what do we do? Okay, great. We got this stuff. What do we do with it? I'm going to pop over to our platform. And if you're not an existing client, this is AgentFlywheel. If you're catching this somewhere else, this is a platform that we use to help people market their business. Primarily, we're working with real estate agents and loan officers. So we're over here, and I'll just walk you through exactly how simple this is. I'm going to go over to marketing right here on this tab. I'm going to pick up the social planner section, and then I'm going to hit new post. And I'm going to hit create new post here. And then I'm going to select Google My Business. Let me see here. Oop, wrong one. All right, so we got one right here. I'm going to hit new post, create new post, and I'm going to select Google My Business there, and I'm going to pop in. I'm going to do call to action. I'm going to have a call to action in. I'm going to have them call because we're going to want to get phone calls from this, and I'm going to pop over to this, and I'm just going to write 10 SEO optimized Google My Business post for mortgage loan officers. Copy that. Pop back over here. Boom. And then I'm just going to copy this here. Paste that in. Going to add an image. Homes. All media, and I'm going to pick out that there. So there you go, right? super simple. You can format it a little bit, clean it up, take out some of the things, but insanely user-friendly. And this is instant, ready to go post, right? Now, so we're going to jump in next to blogs. This is just mind-blowing because, and this is probably one of the reasons why I get so geeked out about this. Today's December 8th. Not sure if you can see that up there, but look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blog posts just had a virtual assistant pump out just today, right? Using exactly what I'm showing you. And so this is just, so you can tell why I'm so hyped up and so geeked out about this. And so right here, guys, super simple. We are in sites, blogs. And if you haven't explored this, it's really user-friendly. Come up, new post. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Move my mug out of the way. And we're just copying and pasting this stuff over. So we got title. And obviously you want this to like resonate, you know, exactly with what you're writing, but hopefully you get the idea. So paste that there. I'm going to change the image, and when you click on that, you can search all media. If you have some stuff saved up there already, it's not too material exactly what it is, but pasting the cover image there, and that. I'm going to go ahead and create post. It's being created right now. Now, how you can see here, it's almost ready to go right out of the gate. You can take some of these intros and stuff and use this to expand. Write a summary of this so you get that idea. Write a summary of this general concept. Again, this is natural language, so you can tell it what you want and it will spit it back out to you. So I want to give you some general frameworks because the possibilities on this are absolutely endless. And you can use the framework to be able to take what you want. So we got that. Now I'm just gonna walk you through here, show you something. I'm gonna copy. Let's do this. We did expand on number 6. I'm gonna take this here and copy that over, and then pop back into here and just paste that. Introduction. We could take this because this was number 6. Right, so we're going to do, I want to learn the pros and cons. So want to learn more about the different types of mortgage loans available. So that's what we're talking about here. And I'm going to just paste this right there. And let's do, not a paragraph, let's do a heading. And so you can play around with it a little bit, but check out how freaking easy this is to crank out just a freaking, like, this is generally would take so much work, so much effort, so much time, resources, talents from people that we can literally have a blog post and local search rankings this fast in the matter of however long we've been seeing this. So we're going to go ahead and hit continue here, and boom. Hey, we got our title, a slug. That's what it's going to look like. If you have this categories scheduled up, you can create these. If it's your first time, create a couple categories, add a new category. This one to that. And then keywords. You can come back in and say, hey, what are some keywords for this? Go back to there. Say, hey, what are keywords based off of this article? Put in your article and then, or put in the author and publish. Boom. Off to the races, guys. With this, the possibilities are absolutely endless on what you can do. No longer are we constrained for time. You can see in the matter of just minutes that I've recorded this video what we would have been able to do. Post, create, post, schedule, just allowing us to virtually make local SEO in general. And the possibilities again on this are completely endless. You could take this same framework, do a blast out to, and geez, while we're here, we'll just take a look at this. You want to come back out, you want to go to marketing, you want to do an email campaign out to your list of people, create a new campaign. Here we go. So there's a little bonus one, and we can do a blank one. And here we go, guys. A little bonus one right on top. Copy. And then let's do a text. Paste that in. Whammy. Clean it up a smidge. Oh man, that copied the whole thing. So, you get the idea there. You've got a newsletter to go out right away as well. Go ahead and send it out. Send now, schedule, batch schedule, who's it from, what's the name, email subject, receipts, all contacts into a smart list. Just cranking out valuable content, getting in front of your audience, staying top of mind, being able to be found. Just really, possibilities are absolutely, and when you're leveraging platforms like this to be able to create, distribute, and really market your business, there's no excuses for not dominating. So if you have questions or need help with any of this stuff, don't hesitate.